Hello, my name is Douglas Moeller. I'm a medical director at McKesson Health Solutions, where I've been working in the claims auditing group for the past 10 years. We've recently gotten quite interested in specialty pharmaceuticals as they appear on medical claims because of the 15 to 25% growth in total spend on these products over the last 6 or 7 years. We've also noticed that companion diagnostics, those tests that are done in the clinical laboratory that help guide the selection of specialty pharma agents, have also been used a lot more significantly in recent years. Pretty much everybody is familiar with the KRAS story for colon cancer, where patients that are KRAS positive have one response to chemotherapy agents, and people who are KRAS negative have a different response. We believe that this is just the beginning of a whole new set of agents that will guide pharmaceutical care in the coming years. Similar story actually is in breast cancer with receptor positive selection of agents, or receptor negative reception of agents going forward. We got interested in this on medical claims that are billed with the HCPCS J codes, and looked at our reference database at the 100 most expensive codes in terms of total spend, and found that that comprised about 80% of the total drug spend that are reported on medical claims. We did not look at NDC codes and pharma spend through the pharmacy benefit. One of the things that we discovered, though, was that there is an opportunity going forward to look at biomarker match. And by biomarker match, I mean the match between the companion diagnostic result and was the selection of a correct pharmaceutical regimen actually appropriate or consistent with current medical therapy. One of the other things that we've been interested in is the match between procedure and diagnosis, or actually the pharmaceutical and diagnosis. An example of that is that certain agents, for example, that are used for colon cancer or ovarian cancer, wouldn't be appropriate potentially for prostate or kidney cancer, for example. I'm not thinking of a particular agent in that way, but doing a auditing approach for compliance with known diagnoses is an option that we can pursue through a claims auditing process. Finally, some of the descriptions of these agents are a little bit confusing in terms of the dispensed number of units in milligrams or in vials, so that auditing against the prescribed dose or dispensed dose versus the actual dose may vary a little bit and can be quite confusing at times. And then finally, as we think about going forward, understanding what the guidance for pharmaceutical agents is in terms of developing fairly precise medical policies means that those medical policies should be clear to providers at the front end of the process when they're selecting treatments, decision support in essence, and they should be clear and consistent with the auditing logic that we provide at the back end. So just as I appreciate everybody's attention, we're looking at new ways to monitor use of these new pharmaceutical agents. And one study earlier this year showed that there are perhaps as many as 900 new pharmaceutical agents and vaccines in the pipeline. I appreciate your attention today. If you have questions for me, I'm Douglas Moeller, DOUG.MOELLER @McKesson.com. Please feel free to contact me with your questions. Thank you very much.